Come on, man. I'm Eric will do that. Stop playing with him. My kids, all my kids are gonna be called the do-that's. All of them, bro. Do-that's, the do-that's. And I'm gonna make sure, I'm gonna tell my kids, oh shit. I'm gonna tell my kids to not worry. If the teacher ever like looks at them in a weird way or a disrespectful way, or the teacher ever gets like in their nerves, just tell her to shut the fuck up, bitch. Like, I don't care, bro. If the school has a problem with my kids, I'll just put them in fucking homeschool. They're gonna come out in the news. 2 kids hit a lick on a teacher outside of the parking lot.
Is it? Fuck out your wall till you come for me. So me holding out your mouth as you open it.
Can I ride with you? Just come close, I'll just hop on. Ah, man. I wanna gather them titties down. El Riz. Oh shit. El Riz, right? Hello. Anything yet? Do you guys have an extra line or not? So I could just throw like, you don't have the little rolling thing? No? Oh, okay. Good luck, okay? Good luck.
Hey, good luck.
I don't think they understand what I'm saying. Are these the rods? Look, they're watching. He's watching. Look, aiming back. Look how he's looking. Oh, he stopped looking. They're like, oh, he's trying to steal my rod. Anything yet?
No, he's just starting.
Oh, man. I usually go like on the boat because, you know, you got to have more patience for this.
We're going to leave him here, don't worry.
He's not a much talker. Good luck, man.
Thank you.
All right. It's funny how he doesn't talk. She slaps the fuck out of him. Yo, don't do that, bro. I'm trying to go up a hill.
Why you so worried about my whereabouts? We treat the trap house like a Waffle House. We not a hop level, but we word of mouth. Don't go bringing drawers all up in my house. That shit belong to me if it's in my house. Circle in where we think he live like a roundabout. Run up the money, go get Skrilla.
You're stepping all over my piss, and that's how you mark your fucking trail. Oh, I think this shit's dead. You think I'll make it to the car? Let's see. If I do a whole tuck and roll, everybody's gonna laugh and enjoy it. Eric will do that, boy. Never forget that. What's up, man? How you doing? Living life, huh? Yes, sir. Ain't nobody in Florida driving like this, man. Eric would do that. And we take stop signs. Oh wait, wrong one. My whole body was dipped out the fucking whip. Yo, let's just grab it. Let's take it. You can grab a chicken? You know how to grab a chicken?
Yeah, you can do it by yourself, bro. All you gotta do is back it up into a corner.
Yeah, we got that motherfucker. Is anybody allergic to this shit? No.
No, let the head stick out though. Let the head stick out.
Yo, wait, that's a female, right?
Yeah.
Don't chop off my fingers, dog.
Are you gonna stay there?
No. Take it to the back, dog.
Alright, so we found Tony struggling, suffering at a farm, and we just want to end the suffering. I'm sorry for any of you guys that have a pussy stomach. Did I hit him? Oh, I didn't even hit Tony. Oh, Tony! Yo, this is so bad. It's like when you don't shoot someone and they're like, all right, Tony. Bye, Tony. Oh, he's still talking. That shit's not coming out, bro. Rip it. And Tony's strong as fuck. That's Tony right there.
Coming like a twin. The wicked philosophy, I come we put that in a bin. Cause too much fuckery, who no play with my culture. I'm blessed by the sun, human by nature. And what do you...
Why doesn't it pump? Oh, it pumped. You okay, asshole?
Asshole.
Yeah.
Why'd you call me an
You scared me when you said, ah! Are you a trans?
I didn't say anything. That was my
Oh.
freaking wife, dude.
I'm sorry, man. Huh?
I need y'all to leave. Y'all disrupting the customers. I need you not to record me.
It wasn't me. Why do we have to leave, though?
Sir, do me a favor. Don't do that.
Why do we have to leave, though?
Have a nice day.
That's all I'm asking.
Can't photograph a woman.
But before he was in the bag twerking his ass and shit, all chill. What happened now? Now you're mad and stuff, man. Oh my gosh. We couldn't even get one person, bro. They're calling my dad. He's an officer.
Okay, but why you want to
He's gonna take me home right now. Wait, I'm talking to my dad. He said he's pulling up. He's the officer.
Your dad's the officer?
Yeah, he's gonna come right now.
Alright.
Daddy, hurry up. These people are harassing me. Why doesn't it sound? Why doesn't it sound?
What the fuck?
It doesn't want to sound. Oh, it did it.
What happened?
What you did in my ear?
What did he do? I saw you do it.
Yeah, it was him.
What are you talking about?
It wasn't me.
You pulled the horn.
What are you talking about? What you did that in my ear?
It wasn't me.
No, it wasn't you. What you have in
It
your
wasn't me.
No.
It wasn't me. Here, hide it, hide it, hide it, sir.
I don't know how you hide anything.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, man.
Whoa. Don't get upset, bro. You don't know what happened.
Not allowed to have a video in the store.
Oh no, that's Street Fights, bitch.
I don't care. Get out of the store. I'm gonna call the cops.
What do you mean? We're scheduled to come over here and like mess around with people,
Nope.
get them
out of
mad
the
and
store.
stuff.
Get out of the store. I'm gonna call the cops right now.
Alright.
Get out.
Who is that? Is that my dad?
Let me see.
Get out of the
Chill, you can't touch the camera.
Get out
Oh,
of
now you assaulted. Oh my gosh.
store. Get out of the store.
Alright, I want to speak to the officer now. Yeah,
Get
because
out
now
of the
you
store.
assaulted.
I'm assaulted. Get out of the store.
Can we just kiss it out? Alright.
Your name?
Will.
Will? And what is this?
I will. So I named myself Will, cause I want to be like, I will grind you down. I need to practice on my hip moves.
1-5,
Like,
baby,
oh
there's
shit, just
5.
cracked.
There's 3 kids here videotaping without any permission.
You're beautiful. I'm gonna go, okay?
His name is Will.
Grind you down.
Can I have a business card?
Yes, here you go.
Yeah? You have an actual business card, or they're actually assaulting?
Oh, it's right here. It's right here. I know they always do that though. They always say we assault them, but she assaulted us, officer. I think nobody likes you in this store, you know.
I'm sorry?
Officer, she harassed us.
And
Please
he's
send
talking to
2
me as I'm
officers
trying to talk to you.
so that we can deal with this, please.
954.
I want to press charges. All right, let's run. I thought she was gonna run. You want to run?
We still recording now.
Yeah, we're recording now because we got assaulted.
Well, what y'all trying to do? What you famous for, brother? What you
I'm not famous. I was just here chilling.
So why you got a cameraman? Somebody got a cameraman. You must be famous, brother.
Nah, man. I wish I was famous.
So what's your occupation?
Nah, not a YouTuber, man. Don't call me that ever, man. What the fuck? Oh, hell no, man. Nah, it's OnlyFans, bro. OnlyFans.
OnlyFans?
Yeah,
What
we
that
be on.
girl at? Y'all about to get
Not
nasty in here?
OnlyFans, not only for sex, man. I told you, Street Fights, bitch.
Say what?
Street Fights, bitch. Make sure you add that period before the bitch.
Okay,
Yeah.
brother, I got you.
All right, man.
But
Appreciate it,
you
man.
Have a good night. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
She's so beautiful, right?
She is. Bro.
She's beautiful. Again. Safe catch a light, right? Sir, is this a safe catch a light?
What's up?
Is this a safe catch a light?
Elite.
Like, no, a light?
Elite.
Yeah, this is the elite, but I'm saying like the light one.
Nah, it's not light.
What about this one right here?
What the shit is that?
I thought that was like your walkie-talkie.
I thought it was yours.
No, this one? I think this one's dairy-free.
That's salmon.
It's not dairy-free though?
Huh?
It's not dairy-free? Just forget it, man. It seems like you don't know shit.
Alright, cool.
I'm just messing with you, man. It's a comedy punk show that you're in. You're in a punk show.
Really?
Yeah, it's like Jackass, you know?
Alright.
Yeah,
How
man.
do I find myself on it?
Street Fights, bitch. You got the best reaction though, right? Yeah. He was like, "What the fuck is that?" All right, man.
Hey, said it. What is it called? That was you, motherfucker.
Yeah, weird.
I like it. Jesus Christ. Why the fuck would you do that? Was that you?
No, I thought that was you.
No, you did that.
I thought it was your walkie-talkie.
No, it's whatever is in your pocket. That really bothered my ear.
I'm sorry. Do you have the sunglasses?
The sunglasses?
I don't even know why I'm saying sorry.
I feel like you did it.
If it was you.
I feel like you did it.
Sunglasses?
My ear. Remember that I said the black ones?
The black ones? Oh, the darkest ones?
Yeah. You still don't have them?
Just
act like you don't have them so I could leave.
No, so I don't got them.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
You know what? You didn't even apologize for what you just did.
No, it wasn't me. That's what I'm saying.
Irresponsible.
I'm saying, why would I say sorry if it wasn't even me? You got her mad now.
No one's stupid here. Come on now. I wasn't born yet.
Oh, you're saying I'm stupid?
No, I'm
man,
saying
now we're
I'm
offending.
not stupid.
Oh, man.
I'm not stupid.
No, I never said you were.
It was an air
Oh, she called you stupid?
Man, stop it, bro.
Ma'am, I did not call you stupid.
I know you didn't call me
but that
stupid.
was so irresponsible.
You don't have to tell me that. I know
This
you
is
didn't
a
call me
business.
stupid.
Yeah, my ear hurts now, ma'am.
We both know what he did, but it's cool.
And now you want help from them? Don't even help her, ma'am.
Something must be wrong with you, bro.
Wait! Oh, shit. Can't treat a baby like that, bro. Yo. Chill. Oh, fuck. Oh. Hey, mind your business. Take me back, take me back. They want to fight a baby. Why want ya? Chill, chill.
How old are you?
Younger than you. At least pick it up, dude. I'm gonna pass by and be like, at least pick it up. Bro, they have a little baby and shit. Whatever, bro. He's lucky he got a little kid with him. Fuck. Over there, over there. Aim over there. You have it in your pocket? Yeah. Let me get it real quick. Fast, fast, fast. What was that? Alright, y'all be safe. You too. I'm making sure that shit wastes, bro, because I paid like $6 for that. Hello, how you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm Will.
I can't check you here, man.
Fist bump. I'm doing like a little documentary, just ask people if they want to take.
I don't want to be on film.
How you doing, man? I'm Will. I'm trying to like do a little video with like someone, try to go viral. You know, a lot of people are going viral and it seems like I'm missing like my time. So I just thought of an idea. I have these 2 Viagra. You trying to like take and we sword fight?
No.
Oh man. Ooh, I've been looking for these. Thank you, ma'am. Sir, those are my flowers, sir.
How do you know I don't have a gun on me right now?
I started wrong. I'm willing you, sir.
How do you know I don't have a gun on me right now? I could pull out and shoot you.
Don't do that, sir. I'll put my finger in your ass. Yo, what if he does have a gun, though? Make sure you use Febreze. Oh, we meet again. Hello? Okay. I would take your bitch.
Who the hell is this, man? It look
Eric would do that.
in this shit. So what? I'm still hitting licks. And plus, get what? I'm still hitting licks.
Look at this. Gabby. A name tag. I could use this bitch. Hello, sir.
What's up?
I'm Gabby. You need anything?
No,
I work here. You can shake my hand.
No, I don't want to shake hands. It's okay.
I work here, though. No, I work here.
I'm done, dude.
It's okay.
That's okay.
I was just gonna ask you, are you having a good time here?
I'm good.
Enjoying your coffee? Okay. If you need anything, just let me know. I'm Gabby. I work here though. Why doesn't he want to shake my hand? Hello, sir. I work here. My name is Gabby.
Nice to meet you.
Do you need anything? Need help? Can we take these little Viagra pills? I popped one earlier, but I'm down to take another one with you.
Recording this?
And we just sword fight real quick in the back? Oh, we could take it to the bathroom. All right, do you have like a number I could like hit you up later or something? I'm Gabby, I work here. I'm a trans and shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm a female, but like, I look like a dude now. They did a good job, right? You don't believe me? Look, I'm Gabby. You don't believe me? You don't think?
Because you're recording it.
You want to see my coochie? Hello. Hi, I got these flowers for you guys because I love my BBWs. Just giving love to all my beautiful BBWs in this world.
Okay.
So here you guys go.
Thank you.
I appreciate you guys for existing. and for still staying safe and jiggly.
Okay, thank you.
You guys stay safe, okay?
You too.
I smelled them. They smell good. You want to smell it? It smells really good.
They do smell good.
All right, look. Smell hers.
Yep.
All right, you guys have a good day, okay?
You too. Hey, thank you.
Oh, I'm Will, by the way. I'm Will.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Haley.
I'm Will.
Nice.
Okay.
Hi, my name is. My name is. My name is.
Eric would do that. These old heads, man, they don't know shit about technology.
Me either.
Yeah, I know. I'm talking about you.